A warm welcome everyone. I am Dr. S.Amudha, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science with Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we will explore the SNS roadmap, structured in our that is from course to creations. This model explains how our institution transform our challenges into our innovations and excellence. Now we will walk through each phases. It's like a foundation and frameworks and growth, excellence, and see how the design thinking connect all them. Now the first part is the foundation. Every transformation is begin with a little course. At the start, there is a confusion resistance and disorientation. The students, faculty, and systems may not have clarity about goal or process. But this is not a negative phase. It helps us identify a pain points of the understands of the real needs of the students or our customers. First, the recognize this cause is the first step towards the innovations. The second step, we are our in SNS institutions, they follow a design thinking. It is a human-centered innovations part. Here comes the turning point, design thinking. It is a bridge between confusions and creativity. The design thinking puts a human needs the first, whether it's curriculum design, student projects, or institutional process. It's followed by a design thinking. It is very help us to understand the people before creating a solution. Therefore, using a methodology. This methodology focus on five key stages. The first one is the empathize, the customer point of view to identify the pain points and after clearly to define the points and ideate to creating a different kind of methods and prototype and test. Let looks at how each one of us works. The first method is that empathize. We start by understanding the users deeply. For example, we talk to students to learn what challenges they faced in your the learning. The second step is the defining. We identify the real problems and then the real problems and followed by if it not be a poor attendance, it will be to low motivate or unclear the feedback. The third one is the ideate. We brainstorm as many ideas as a possible. It is a gamified lessons, mentorship systems, or an interactive dashboards. It's like a gamified classes. It is easily to creating that ideate many ideates and prototype. We built a small quick model or a demo, for instance a students of a feedback of app. And then the last stage is the test. We try the prototype and collect the feedback and improve of the student, and it helps us continuously to refine our solutions. So the design thinking is not a one time method, it is a continuous learning and improving the process. Once the foundation is set, there is a SNS build a strong framework of the 3P cultures model. It is the purpose and process and people. The purpose gives the direction as the align of our activities with an institution of a vision, and process ensure the transparency and the repeatability. The next one is the foundation of organizational culture. It is every great organization. It's a star. It stands on a clear purpose and a structured process and a strong people. At our SNS institution, this foundation ensures that the creativity is not a random. It is guided by a values of a systems and a teamwork. It is a purpose and process and people. The next is the The next layer is a 3C framework. It is a attitude, logic, and technique. Attitude. It is a first thing is the mindset of that to change, the willingness to learn and openness to change. After that, the second one is the logic. It is mean by a structured reasoning and problem solving ability. The third one is the technique. It is referred to the technical skills and domain expertise. The students and faculty of it is moved to the master level. The next one is that SNS five pillars. The SNS believes that education must the following that the five pillars. There is a center for learning and teaching. The next level is a center for creativity, and third one is a center for industry, institution and partnership. The fourth one is the center for learning and development, and the finally fifth one is the center for social responsibility and initiative. These are all the five pillars. The first pillar is the focusing on your enhancement and practices and outcomes. It is a online courses, and the center for creativity is the innovative thinking and creativity of experts. And then IAPC, it is the short name. It is a bridge academics with an industry of that growth. The third one is that CLE. It is a support for continuous learning and skill development. And the last one is the Center for Social Responsibility and Initiatives. It's more to that supporting your society. The next one is the spine. The spine is that is a stage of that foundation and culture. It start producing a visible innovations through your initiatives, that innovative center 7+7, through your our Gen AI enablement and certified talents, and SNS integrates the academic learning with industry. This is the ideas to turn into projects and that startups. The final stage is about the excellence and creations. We use the SMART goal is a specific, measurable, and achievable, the relevant and time bound to gamify the learning. It's our bold vision is to enable the 1,000 AI startup over the 10 years. This is the continuous improvement, the growth of mindset using the design thinking and Gen AI. It's the based on that we reach 10,000 AI startups. The final stage is that excellence and creation. And finally, let us see how the everything connect with the foundation identifies the real problem, and through the design thinking, the followed by a stage by stage to achieve uh, the sustainable system development and the growth and innovations expands the capabilities and excellence and creations to deliver the measurable outcomes leader and innovators and startups. The continuous flow makes us SNS living ecosystems of creativity and the learning. Thank you for every great changes. It's begin with empathy and understanding. Let us continue using a design thinking to create a better and more innovative SNS community. Thank you.